What happens when your ATV won't start? You may be wondering where to even start looking to fix your issue. In this video, we're going to be going over what you can check on your fuel system. You can start at your gas tank and test the fuel pump. Arctic Cats need 43 constant PSI to be able to run. Hook up an inline fuel pressure gauge and test your fuel pressure. Beware of spray. On these Arctic Cats from 08 even up to 2014, I believe, a lot of them have some bad fuel pumps in them. I don't know if they had just a bad batch of fuel pumps, but I've seen a lot of these ATVs with bad fuel pumps. So that's one of the first things I suspect on these ATVs. So it can get back running, we just pop a new fuel pump in and we're usually good to go. If your ATV has a fuel filter in the tank, most Arctic Cats do, this can be replaced. That's another thing you can check. The next thing to check is your throttle body. There are quite a few components on that throttle body itself, but a lot of times it will just need cleaned. You can just use a throttle body cleaner and check out this video up here where I show how to clean it. One of the parts on the throttle body responsible for the engine getting the right amount of fuel is the injector. If your injector is faulty, you will also need to replace it. I have videos on how to clean it and how to replace it. You can check those out. I'll have them linked down below. So if our injector wasn't working, then that would make sense that when we try to give it throttle, it's not going to go. We've just got the fuel pump pushing that fuel in there, and that's just enough to keep it idling for a while. And then when we try to give it gas, of course, it's going to die out because the injector's not spraying like it should. You can also clean out your fuel lines. If the gas isn't flowing, then your ATV isn't going. You can pull the lines off and blow them out with compressed air to clean them. That should get any junk out of the lines, or if they are dry rotted and falling apart, leaking gas, then you'll need to definitely replace them. Now anytime you undo the plugs on a throttle body, you'll have to resync the EFI system on the ATV. So I hope this video helped you out in checking out your fuel system on your ATV, getting it cleaned up or fixed. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you guys in the next video.